Today's product preview and quick tutorial shows you how easy it is to print, cut, and bind the planner pages from PrintaParty.com. In this video, I'm specifically showing the Christmas organization kit, but the process is the same for all of our planner page printable products. Welcome to another video of PrintaParty.com's product previews and tutorials. After your purchase, you download the PDF, which opens in the free Adobe Acrobat Reader software, and you simply hit File and Print. Once you get to the print page options, if you are printing double-sided, please make sure you choose Flip on the long edge. It makes it print like a book would read and works perfect for planners and binders. Print as many or as little pages as you need and feel free to print over and over again each year. Once printed, pages are easy to cut out and dotted lines help indicate where to trim. Next, take whatever hole punch works with your planner. I have the Happy Planner punch, and then simply punch the pages. Finally, insert into your planner or binder system, and there you have a nice, clean planner printable setup. I hope you found this video helpful. Give a thumbs up and hit the bell to be notified when we post some more, and thank you for watching.